It's a great day at Byrider. My name is Maya, and I'm here to answer a few questions regarding the pre-approval process. A pre-approval is a preliminary application for financing, which in short provides the lender with basic information required to extend financing that you, the applicant, input. Here at Byrider, we differ from traditional dealerships. Being a buy here, pay here lot, our pre-approval means that the income that you stated is enough to support our typical payments while taking into consideration other financial obligations such as food, rent, and electricity. We work backwards from a conventional dealership. We first complete an application to get you qualified for our program, and then once we have you qualified, our bank will send us over a list of all the available options that work within your budget. So with that being said, we're unsure of what your vehicle options are going to be until we have you in our location, fully qualified and ready to purchase. Our pre-approval applications typically are good indicators that you will be a strong fit for our program. However, if the information you inputted for your pre-approval application has changed, was mistaken, or falsified, the decision to status from our bank may differ from what your pre-approval application gave you. Your pre-approval decision is based on a number of different factors, including but not limited to your credit score, credit history, employment history, residency, and even your down payment. As previously mentioned, if any of this information has changed, was mistaken, or falsified, it may affect the decision from our bank. The documents you will need to complete your application for full bank verification will be your ID, either your driver's license or state-issued ID, proof of income, either your two most recent pay stubs, or in some instances, 3 to 6 months worth of bank statements, and occasionally tax documents such as 1099 forms or W-2s. You will also need proof of residency, a piece of mail dated within the last 30 days at your current address or your lease document, and if you're trading in a vehicle, you will need a title for your vehicle and the vehicle ID number. Either give us a call at 920-204-0300 or stop on in today at 44 North Rolling Meadows Drive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin and see what Byrider can do for you.